nice ride here in the western North Carolina mountains. We're fortunate enough to be able to take this ride in a 1979 Porsche 911 SC Targa. Got the top up, but the windows are down. And what a beautiful place to be able to drive some nice cars. So we'll let you listen to the sound, and as you can imagine, it's a Porsche, so you know it corners well. You can hear the sound of the motor. It's a 1979 motor, so what's that, about 46 years old? The car's been very well maintained. It's only had 2 owners. Current owners own this since '84, so he knows everything that's happened to it, which is not much, but it's had a lot of love, had a lot of good maintenance done towards it. Had new tires put on in '17. Got all the records showing the oil changes and the service that's been done on it. Had brakes put on just a couple years ago. Brakes are good. It's got high performance tires on it. It's a lot of fun. And as you know, Porsches have evolved into water cooled now. And there's something to be said about the original air cooled sound and the performance. And this car's got both. It's got a beautiful sound, and I tell you, it's got nice power, absolutely. It's got a 5-speed transmission. It's got air conditioning, but today's too nice. We don't have the air conditioning on.